Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to use Sandesh app on iPhone and Android. Let's have a look. For iPhone, first open App Store. On the search box, type Sandesh. Go to Sandesh and get Indian Instant Messaging app. After download and install, launch Sandesh app. For Android user, open Google app. On the search box, type Sandesh app. Go to Sandesh portal and download Sandesh app for your Android phone. After launching Sandesh app, check welcome screen one by one. Then tap get started. Welcome to Sandesh. You can open your Sandesh account using phone number or email address. So choose your ones. I am using mobile number. Enter your mobile number and tap get OTP. OTP verified. Tap next. Here you have to enter your name, your gender, it's optional, and you can add your profile photo. Tap next and allow contacts. That's it. Sandesh account created. From bottom menu you can check account settings, you can create groups, you can add contacts and chats. Select any user from contact and send messages. Tap plus icon and you can send photo, file, you can open camera, contact, and you can send voice. From top right corner, you can video call or voice call. So these are the easy steps to use Sandesh app on iPhone and Android. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.